Hello, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Today we are going to, well, first thing, as usual, you're going to report your attendance. You will find this video right here. And like always, I ask you to please connect to the class. Please connect to the class. It's very important that you are connected. And it's very important that you don't leave the call before the class is over, because sometimes we answer some questions and it's important to be there for the questions. Okay, for you, actividad inicial, warm up, just practicing some Spanish. Actividad inicial, you're going to complete this activity. When you click here, it takes you to this activity. You're going to have this word bank right here that you need to put in the appropriate line. Right here, you're going to need to type it right here, and then you get your score here. Do not send me something with the score 0. Get a passing grade, and then you send the screenshot. You're going to send it on the class plan. There's a file upload or text entry box here. Yeah, you're right now the process. Okay, next, you're going to complete the activity that 182, and that's why I'm asking you to please be connected. I connected. I created this activity, and I want to work with you because it's a little difficult. You're going to practice in this activity, you're going to practice agreement and disagreement. So you're going to help, I'm going to help you with this so we can get a good grade. Okay, I want us to do it together. And in the original activity, you had to complete with the activity 2, but I put it for you right here. So we just need to complete the answers. All right. And then the other activity we have is this one. We're going to complete, and this is about negatives. This is easier. You just need to put the question, the answer, following this model. Now, you need to follow this model. Notice that it has an opening question mark and a closing question mark. It has a comma after the no, and it has a period at the end, so they need to be correct. Okay, so you have your answers here, and that's it. Then, when you finish, I want you to practice your Quizlet. Your Quizlet is with this vocabulary. I put the list of the vocabulary here, I put the slideshow of the vocabulary here, and then I put the grammar part right here. So you have all your tools that you need to study. This is basically what we're studying in this chapter. And then you are going to have a quiz next class. So be prepared for that quiz. And I think that's it for now. I'll see you during class. Adios.